everybody! Welcome back on Caledonia, and today we're back on the Moana, and we're going out all the way to the Great Barrier. Today I guess we'll be diving, sailing and having fun, so enjoy it!
Can you hear me? SOS. Help me put my mind to rest. Two times clear, get a mess and no.
We just found ourselves the most beautiful place of paradise.
I can feel your love pulling me up from the underground. I don't need my drug. We could be more than just part-time lovers. I can feel your love picking me up from the underground. I don't need my drug. We could be more than just part-time lovers. Part-time lovers.
The water is so nice, I just can't wait to go swimming. Well, my friends, I just crashed the drone. Yeah, the drone fell in the water, but that's life. That's how it is. It was rough, but it was so beautiful swimming around that I forgot it was a bad thing. Just, yeah, I was flying over this beautiful place, and suddenly, like, I don't know, all of a sudden the drone just came down, and me, instead of pushing up, I miscontrolled and I pushed even more down, so the drone like touched the water first, and after it went back up, so I was like, this is not gonna last long, and yeah, after a few seconds the drone just stopped and damn it. It's okay, it's so nice out here that you forget the bad things. Now it's time to take care of the boat, so we're gonna dive again, and where is it? Boom! We're gonna scratch the bottom of the boat. time it is? Barbecue time. Okay, my friends, with this beautiful sunset, it's time to tell you goodbye. Have a nice day or a good night, and see you next week.